Nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants are so called because they ruminate or bring back the swallowed food to chew on it again. When the cow eats, it swallows the grass quickly into the rumen. The rumen is full of bacteria and protozoa which break down the cellulose found in hay and grass. After a while, this food is sent to the second chamber, called reticulum, where it is rolled into balls, and these balls are sent back to mouth. The food is now chewed thoroughly in the mouth, and swallow it for the second time. The food now passes to the omasum, third chamber of stomach. Here the excess water is absorbed, and reduces the particle size further. Food now enters the abomasum, fourth chamber for stomach. This is the true stomach of cow. The walls of the abomasum secrete gastric juice to aid digestion. Absorption begins in the abomasum. After the abomasum, the food enters the intestine, where food mixes with secretions from the pancreas and liver. Most of the digestion takes place here. The large intestine absorbs water from the digested food, makes it more solid, and excretes it out as feces.